Here are 3 simple hacks you need to implement right now while uploading your videos to help you get more views, more watch hours, and more subscribers. These settings and hacks really work because they help YouTube algorithm pick your video and start recommending it. One of my students implemented it in her most recent video and there's tremendous result. There's a whole lot of difference from this new video she implemented it on and then her previous videos. So I am sure that if you implement what I'm about to show you in this video, you're going to get a lot of views. They are real hacks, real secrets and settings that will help you get a lot of views. So I will tell you what they are, show you exactly how to implement each and every one of them. So at the end of this video, you're going home with a practical guide on how to do that in your own video. Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka, and on this channel we'll talk about money and growing your YouTube channel. So if this is the kind of thing you love, go on and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it. The first setting or hack to help your videos rank and get a lot of views is adding timestamp or video chapters to your video. This video you're watching right now has it. Now, it has a lot of advantages. The first one is that it makes it super easy for your audience to watch your video and enjoy it. Secondly, it allows you to bring in a lot of relevant keywords in those chapters, which is exactly what the algorithm is looking for to help rank your video, to help push your video for your target audience to see it. Now, finally, YouTube actually advises we do that because even in the settings of your channel, there's an opportunity for you to add a permanent one, okay? So adding timestamp to your videos or chapters is a great way to bring in a lot of keywords, which helps the algorithm pick your video. This alone will help you get a lot of views and subscribers. On the flip side, it makes it super easy for people to jump your videos. So they just get on the first message, they watch what you have to say, they move on to the next one and to the next one. But in my opinion, the advantages far outweighs the disadvantage, especially because it gives you an opportunity to get YouTube algorithm rank your video, recommend your videos. So let me show you exactly how to add timestamp to your video. So to add a timestamp to your video, first you need to upload the video. So you go to the dashboard and select the video you want to upload and upload it. Once it's uploaded, first thing, go on and put the title of the video. Now here is the rule. Timestamp is done in the description section of the video. So after the title, go to the description section and then start adding the timestamp. The first condition is that it must be a minimum of 10 seconds in between. And this timestamp must be at least 3 of them. And you first one should start with 0.00, then you go on to add other ones. Normally 0.00 is usually called introduction. Now, like I said, the space must be at least 10 seconds in between. So if the first one is 0.00, so you go on to add the title. So you're going to be watching the video as you can see here. So you play the video, you watch the video, look at this timestamp here, this time of the video, and then it's going to guide you to know what to add. After 0.00, you're going to have maybe 0.50, 01.14, 01.37. That's how you're going to go on to add each and every one of them. Like I said, it must be at least 3 of them in number for the timestamp to be effective. So you have to go on and watch the video. When you get to where you mentioned a new 10, you pause the video, check the time there, then come over here and write that 10 that you said in that video. That is the keyword that you're going to bring in here. That's exactly how to do the timestamp. As you can see me here doing it. I'm sorry, there was a little mistake. I wrote 0.00, but it should be 00.00, 00.110, 00.19. That's how you are going to write it. Once you are done doing this, you are going to save the video. And once the video is saved, this timing, this 00.00 you have here or 00.19 are going to actually be highlighted, which means they are clickable. So when people are watching the video, if they click on the time here, it's going to show them. Okay, now let's look at how it appears on the video. Look at it here. You can see the video where I'm touching it here. It's now in block form, is in chapter form. That's exactly what you see once you are done adding the timestamp to the video. Even this video you're watching right now, if you look at it, you're going to see the timestamp on it. Now let's scroll down to the description of this video and let's see how it appears. You can see what I told you. Once you are done with the timing 00.00 and you save the video, this timing you added by yourself becomes clickable automatically. So when people touch any of this time here, it's going to take them straight to where that particular thing is. The second hack or settings that will help you get a lot of views and subscribers, help you grow your channel really fast, is adding links to your older videos in your new upload. This is a no-brainer. If you've not been doing it, you've been missing out on a lot of opportunities to grow your YouTube channel, get a lot of views on your older videos. So this is how it works. While uploading a new video, you have an opportunity to connect your older videos in the new video that is in the description section of the video. It helps a lot, first, because a lot of people are reading the description of the video. So when you add other videos, seeing those videos and the titles is something they love. It makes it easier for them to just click on the link and then go on to watch your other videos and other videos and other videos. Another advantage to this is that adding a link to a video helps to rank the video. I've had that a couple of times and I have never stopped doing it. It works. So if you've not been doing it, this is the perfect time to start that, because you'll be missing out on opportunity to get your videos recommended. Of course, you know that links you're adding is also you bringing in more keywords without stuffing it. So I'm going to show you how to do it in a moment. Let's go. So to add the links of other videos, your older videos on your new video, all you need is just come over here in the description section again. Write the title of the video. Remember, you've already published this video. So what is the name of this video? What's the title? Write it. Then come here, open your channel and then copy the link of that video. Okay, you can see me here, copy the link of this video, and then you go back to this place where you've written the name with a column. You paste the link you've copied. Now you go on to do another one. What's the title of the video? Write the title, add a column, go to the video itself, and then copy the link of that video. As you can see here, copy the link, then come back to this description of the new video and paste the link you've copied. Once you do that, and then you upload the video, these links you've copied here will become clickable automatically. This is actually something you have to do every time to help rank your older videos, bring in your older videos. Okay, as you can see here now, this is it when it's done. You can see that these videos are here. All you need is just touch it. Let's touch it here now. Once you touch this link now, it simply takes you to the older video. And like I said, people are watching it, so you need to keep recommending your older videos to keep giving them chance to grow. The third hack that will help you get a lot of views, subscribers, and 10x your video views is visibility setting while uploading the video. So when uploading your video, at that stage you begin to add details of the video. There's a visibility setting here that allows you to choose what happens just before you click upload. Now at this stage, you have to choose the right option to make sure that your videos are doing well. What you should not do is to select public, because if you select public and at any stage you mistakenly click on upload when you are not done yet with details of the video, people are going to see the video without being properly done. The best option for this publicity is to go for either private or unlisted. This way, if you mistakenly click on upload, people won't see the video. It's still going to be uploaded on your channel, but then if it's private or unlisted, you are the only one that has access to it. So you make sure that you perfect the video, the title, the description, the hashtag, and every other thing you need to do in the video before you finally show it to the public. So the right one to choose is private or unlisted. So this is it, and this setting is under visibility. You select visibility and then you see it unlisted or private. It's important you choose either private or unlisted. So implementing these 3 hacks will help you a lot in getting YouTube algorithm to recommend your videos so you get a lot of views and watch hours. I hope you got value from this. So give this video a thumbs up. I will appreciate that. See you in my next video.